unboxing your new meeting owl. So I got here my new meeting owl and I'm going to unboxing to show the features. So I got to reopen the plastic cover, and this is a very nice device. Meeting Owl Pro will let you. It's a webcam that will let you have a 360-degree angle. It's a 1080p smart video conference camera. It has microphone and speakers and automatic speaker focus and smart meeting room enabled. So this is a very nice device. You can find it on Amazon. It costs around $1,000. So this is the plastic that uncovers the camera right there. When you plug it in, two eyes as owl eyes will light here, and there will be a sound like an owl. So, and this is what you will find in your owl. This is your power button right there, and here's where you put your cables in here. This is for the mini USB. This is for the power cable. You will find the serial number right there and the model number right here, which mine is my model is MTW200. That's my model. So as I said, this is the power button. You will see the mute button. When you mute, you tap and mute, there will be a light here showing you that the button is on, and if you turn it off, then you will have no light, like right now. There is a plus volume and to lower the volume. All right, and this is the mute button again, so we came back to the power. All right, so this is our owl, and here is where you will find the manuals and the cables, the USB cable and the power cable. So you can use it through the Wi-Fi if you don't want to use your USB cable. But if you don't want to use your Wi-Fi, you can just plug it into your laptop or computer using the USB cable, which is right here. So I got here my USB cable. So it's mini USB on one side. You can see, and it goes right there. Okay. So I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in. It's right there. And there is a USB type A right there, as you can see. And now we have our power cable right here. So, you just plug in the two pieces together and you will have that connected. So I got my cable right here. So I'm going to connect it. I'm going to connect the owl so that you can see how nice this is. So let me see where I find the connection. Oh, right here. So this goes in here, and that's connected, and you can tell here that you can see the eyes of the owl. Very nice.
Hi, I'm Meeting Owl. To get started, download the Meeting Owl app on your phone.
So you have to download the app on your phone so that you can set it up, okay? And then you just plug it into your computer, and you can if you are using Zoom, you can choose in the camera icon on the lower left corner, and then you click on the on the up arrow and then choose the owl camera, and then that will be it. All right, hope you enjoy your owl.